Mapupo fezeka amimele khayela amimele moto yami
As an organization that is like this in New York City, that is kind of like, I've always said that Haiti Cultural Exchange is the artistic, just like, you know, you have little Haiti Cultural Exchange in Miami, Haiti Cultural Exchange is this in New York.
And so once I heard about what Haiti Cultural Exchange was trying to do, I knew that I had to be involved.
I think we've been so great together.
We've been lucky.
We have never argued. We have maybe thought the other person was entirely wrong, but we've never really gone out there and said, go away and, you know, you're all wrong.
Haiti Cultural Exchange is the first, not only organization, but it's the first place where I had a chance to perform like for something legit in New York.
When I say FOSS, I know what I mean. I know where it comes from. I know from generations before me. I hear my mom, I hear my grandmother, you know, my aunts and uncles and generations before them talk about the FOSS, the strength.
The strength of the culture is unique. And that is in spite of the political unrest and our history that has been marred by a lot of unrest.
We can do anything when we put, you know, our minds together, when we unite. So to me, in my art, it's the same. I don't disassociate myself with that. I love the fact that I come from where I come from. But at the same time, when you look at Haiti, where we come from, it's way more than what people are making it. Haiti is a whole idea of how the world can be amazing.
It's empowering, and to be able to continue to honor the ancestors as well as to nurture the new generation.
I've seen Haiti Cultural Exchange evolve through programs, literary programs, artistic programs that encompass different forms of artistry, of course. But we're also tending to ourselves, because in all of us, there's that child that still lives, and we tend to that child, the past child and the child that still lives within us. And for me, I often think and go back to my childhood and remember the importance of culture that my parents instilled in me.